Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do the revision of capital cursive and small cursive. Before we start our writing, first we have to try to understand our copy, that there are the four lines in our copy. The first line is red line, the another two lines are blue line, and again we have one red line. And whatever we write, all the alphabet should get touched to the line. As you can see that this A is touching this red line and blue line, and this small cursive A is touching these two blue lines. Okay, so before start our writing, whatever we write, we have to write it on the line. All the alphabet should get touched to the lines. As you can see, I had wrote A. This is a capital cursive A. Then again I have to write the small cursive A. This is the 2A, with this is capital cursive A and this is a small cursive A. After this A, we will write down B. And as you can see that I had wrote B, and this B is touching the red line and the blue line. So whatever you write, it should touch the lines. And this is the small cursive B. Then again we will write down, this is how you will write capital cursive C. Then again small cursive C. Here you have to start the D like this, and it should get touched to the red line. This is a small d. So as you can see, A, B, C and D. After this, E. And one more thing, children, whenever you write any of the alphabets, always when you are starting the second line, always write the next letter to the below of the previous letter. Like I had wrote E, A here, then when I had come to E, I am writing just below to the A. This is a capital E and this is a small e. F and then small f. And as you can see, this F is touching the red line from here till red line. So the F touch red line to red line. This is a capital G. As you can see, how am I writing? So try to write it like this only. H. H. So this is capital cursive H and this is a small h. Now I, and this is a small I. As you can see, this I is stretching the red line here and till blue line it is there. And then the small I is in between of the blue line and it is touching both the blue line. Then J, and this is a small j. K, and then this is a small k. L and L. So this is a capital L, this is a small l. This is a capital K, this is a small k. Capital J, small j. Okay. M, and this is a small m. N, this is a small n, M, O, Q, small q. One thing, please kids, remember that whenever you write Q, many of you do the mistake while writing Q. So whenever you write the small q, always make it like this. Then after Q, R, and this is a small r. S, and this is a small s. T, this is a small t. What one thing which differentiate this capital cursive T and capital cursive F is that there is one line in between this, so it becomes F, and when there is no line it becomes T. Okay, now we will write down U and then small cursive U, V, and then small cursive W. And then Y, and then Z. So here one more thing I would like to say, that whenever we write the capital cursive Y and capital cursive Z, this Z and Y and Z both will touch the red line to red line, red line to red line. This mistake is very genuine, which many people do, that whenever they write the capital cursive Y and capital cursive Z, they do not touch the red line to red line. So what generally they do whenever they write the capital cursive, they write the small cursive. So please mind it that whenever you write the capital cursive Z, write it from touch this alphabet from red line to red line, red line to red line. As you can see, I had wrote cap A to Z, capital cursive and small cursive both, and all the alphabets are touching red line or a blue line. Whatever I had wrote, all the alphabets are sitting on the blue line, and whether they are touching the blue line or they are touching the red line. And few of the alphabets are there which are touching red line. For example, P is touching red line to red line, Y is touching red line to red line, and Z is touching red line to red line, and J is also touching red line to red line. So please mind it whenever you write, few of the alphabets which are touching red line to red line, and rest of the words whatever we write, they are sitting on this blue line and they are touching the red line upper. And maximum of the small letters, as you can see, A is touching blue line, and then again C is sitting on the blue line and touching the blue line again. E is touching and sitting on the blue line and touching the blue line. G is touching the blue line and it goes to the red line below, and again I is sitting on the blue line and touching the blue line. Then M and N, O, again these alphabets are sitting on the blue line and touching the blue line. R, S, U, V, W, X, these all small cursive alphabets are sitting on the blue line and touching. So one thing which is very important is that whatever you write, it should be on the line and touching the line. It should not miss. I'll show you, many of the kids, what they do is, if they are writing A, so they are writing like this. So this is not a right thing, like it is not, this alphabet is not touching the blue line. So you have to think of that whatever you write, it should get touched the lines. Thank you.